In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store to download Magic Fluids Live Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent in the pop-up, click at the top left corner, and operate all of those options however you want to adjust your new wallpaper. When you're done, click at the top right corner and the bottom right corner. Then hit Set as Live Wallpaper, select Yes, tap on Apply To and pick one of those options from your pop-up. Last but not least, hit Apply at the top right corner and wait. Then close the Magic Fluids app, and as you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!